Are you feeling completely broke and unsure of what to do next? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many people have faced similar challenges and have managed to overcome them. In this video, we will show you how to conquer your financial struggles and rebuild your life. The first step is to take a look at your current situation. Take a deep breath and gather all your financial information. Calculate your income and expenses to clearly understand your financial status. This will help you determine the areas where you can adjust. Next, create a budget. Start by prioritizing your essential expenses, such as food, housing, and transportation. Then allocate a portion of your income towards savings and paying off debts. Remember, every penny counts, so try to reduce non-essential expenses. Now, it's time to explore additional sources of income. Look for part-time jobs, freelancing opportunities, or side gigs that align with your skills and interests. You might be surprised by your hidden talents that could bring in some extra cash. You'll need help from a financial advisor. They can provide valuable advice and guidance tailored to your specific circumstances. They will help you develop a plan to pay off debts, save for the future, and build a solid financial foundation. Don't be afraid to ask for support from your loved ones. Share your situation with them and let them provide emotional and financial assistance. Remember, we are stronger together. Lastly, I would like you to stay positive and motivated. Financial struggles can be challenging, but with determination and perseverance, you can overcome them. Celebrate small victories and use them as fuel to keep going. In conclusion, being broke is just a temporary setback. By assessing your situation, budgeting, finding additional income sources, seeking help, and staying positive, you can conquer your financial struggles and rebuild your life. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Thanks for watching this video, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful content.